Scottish brooches aren't just jewelry, they're pieces of history. From ancient Celtic designs to the famous Luckenbooth, each one tells a story of love, pride, and tradition. Join me as I will uncover the most iconic Scottish brooches in my collection. Our first brooch is a classic example of Scottish craftsmanship. Hand engraved and silver plated, its surface is decorated with swirling patterns that catch the light beautifully. At the center sits a faceted stone, cut to sparkle with every movement, a detail that would have made this piece stand out on any tartan or shawl. Brooches like this were more than just ornaments. They symbolized pride, heritage, and often carried personal meaning for the wearer. The careful engraving shows the skill of the artisan, while the bold central gem adds elegance and strength. Simple yet striking, this brooch reflects the Scottish tradition of combining practical use with timeless beauty, making it both a fastening and a statement of identity. Turning the brooch over, we see the maker's mark stamped clearly. Mizpah, silver-plated. The name Mizpah has a special meaning, often linked with love, friendship, and remembrance, making it a popular motif in Scottish jewelry. The sturdy clasp and pin show that this brooch was designed not only for beauty, but also for function, able to secure heavy fabric like tartan. This small detail connects us directly to its origin and purpose, adding even more depth to its story. This brooch is a striking piece, built around the soft elegance of blue lace agate at its center. Known for its delicate bands of pale blue and white, this gemstone brings a calming, almost serene quality to the design. Surrounding it is a bold Celtic knotwork pattern, a timeless symbol of eternity and interconnectedness. The openwork metal allows the stone to shine even more brightly, balancing strength with refinement. With its mix of natural beauty and traditional Celtic artistry, this brooch carries both symbolic meaning and undeniable charm. This brooch is a fine example of traditional Scottish jewelry design. Crafted in silver tone metal, it features a circular form decorated with intricate Celtic knotwork, symbolizing eternity and unity. At its center is the Scottish Thistle, a historic emblem of resilience and heritage. The design is crowned with a polished carnelian gemstone, long appreciated for its warm tones and protective qualities. Together, the thistle and carnelian create a piece that is both elegant and symbolic. Brooches of this style were often worn to express cultural identity, making this ornament not only a beautiful accessory but also a meaningful representation of tradition and artistry. This brooch carries both artistry and story within its design. Cast in a warm golden tone, it features two vivid amethyst-colored cabochon stones, each set against the form of a Scottish thistle, a symbol of endurance and pride. Between them lies a finely detailed sailing ship, its sails raised as if journeying across distant seas. Together, these motifs evoke a tale of exploration and heritage, the thistles anchoring the piece in Scotland's soil, while the ship suggests adventure, trade, and connection to the wider world. What makes this brooch especially remarkable is its rarity. Finds of this kind are uncommon today, making it not only a beautiful ornament, but also a treasured glimpse into history and tradition. This brooch is a beautiful example of Scottish craftsmanship by the renowned Miracle brand, a company celebrated for reviving traditional Celtic and Highland jewelry styles in the 20th century. The design features 3 interlocking rings, symbolizing unity, eternity, and strength. Each segment is inlaid with panels of colored glass and agate in warm tones of amber, carnelian, and creamy white, carefully chosen to echo the natural stones found in Scotland. The silver tone framework is richly engraved, giving depth and character to the piece. Miracle jewelry gained popularity not only in Scotland but worldwide, admired for blending historical motifs with wearable artistry. This brooch, with its intricate design and symbolic meaning, stands as both a decorative accessory and a proud statement of heritage, making it a cherished item for collectors and lovers of Celtic tradition alike. This brooch carries with it more than simple beauty. It tells a story. At its heart lies a deep, faceted stone, glowing like a captured ember, cradled in a claw setting. Surrounding it, the silver wreath unfolds into bold oak leaves and acorns, symbols of strength and endurance passed down through generations. Rising above, the proud thistle stands tall, the emblem of Scotland, a reminder of resilience in the face of adversity. Together, these motifs transform the brooch into more than adornment. It becomes a quiet tale of heritage, pride, and the endurance of spirit, worn close as both ornament and symbol. This circular brooch is a beautiful example of Scottish Celtic-inspired design. Crafted in silver-toned metal, it features intricate interlaced patterns, reminiscent of ancient knotwork that symbolized eternity and interconnectedness. Set around the ring are 6 polished cabochon stones, each unique in color and character: green, pale blue, deep red, creamy white, soft orange, and mottled beige. Together they create a vivid palette, almost like fragments of the Scottish landscape captured in mineral form. The green of the Highland Hills, the red of heather in bloom, the misty blues of the lochs, and the earthy tones of stone and soil. Brooches like this were often worn not only as ornament, but as a quiet statement of heritage, linking the wearer to the traditions and artistry of Celtic Scotland. If you wish to purchase something from my eBay, just send me Great Vintage in DM to get 10% off, link down in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.